Well, healthcare workers in Colorado Springs are the first in El Paso County to receive Pfizer's vaccine.
KRDO News Channel 13's Jen Moynihan was at UCHealth Memorial earlier today and shares how the hospital is getting ready to administer the vaccine.
A monumental step forward in the fight against COVID-19 in southern Colorado.
Think about it. This vaccine has come to the market quicker than virtually any in history.
As UCHealth Memorial unloads its first shipment of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine.
Well, I want to say how exciting it is to see my friends and my colleagues receiving this vaccine.
The hospital is one of 46 sites selected statewide to receive 3,900 of Colorado's 46,000 allotted doses of the drug.
I would never ask you to do anything I wouldn't do myself, whether it's cleaning a room, mopping a floor, grabbing lunch, and in this case, taking the vaccine.
Some healthcare workers at the hospital, from nurses and respiratory therapists to service technicians and critical care physicians, became the first to receive it today.
You know, as a diabetic with a pre-existing condition, I hope that people will, maybe look at me and think, she did it and I'm going to do it as well.
Hospital officials say those who receive the vaccine will enroll in a mobile app system to monitor any potential symptoms over the next several days. If all goes well, they'll receive a second dose of the drug in 21 days.
From what we've seen in England so far, it's not a huge number. People do get achy, they do get fevers, they do get myalgias, they get all the symptoms that you see generally after you sort of get an immune response.
The first 3,900 doses will be distributed to all Phase 1 hospital staff at 3 sites beginning Wednesday, with the second phase to follow soon after. The hospital hopes to have all vaccines distributed before Christmas. In the meantime, they urge residents not to let their guard down.
We're not out of the woods yet, and we're still seeing this every day in the hospital.
And Penrose St. Francis is also anticipating just under 2,000 doses in the state's first shipment of the Pfizer vaccine. A representative for the hospital says they will receive it as soon as tomorrow.